Friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to apply for registration on npower validation. First of all, whenever you search on Google npower validation, in the front of you can see npower validation, but when you click on this website there is no option for creating new account for npower. So you can accept, but you don't see how to apply for npower registration. In this video I'm going to tell you. If you are new on my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for latest news and update. First of all, you go to back on new page. Here you can search again npower registration. When you search npower registration, the next page front of you is like just that. Here you can see the npower, then you can see the apply option. Click on the apply option. Now you can enter your email address to register your account. When you enter your email address, the next option, biodata. Fill this form and create your account. Check status, tech examination. So you can apply for here. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for latest news and update.